Hello children, you know that an equation is the equality of the two expressions. Till now we have solved the equation in which one side is just a number. Now let us consider an equation of the type 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now here you can see that in this equation both side has variable. How we can solve this type of equation? We will transpose variable in one side and constant on another side. So 2x minus x. Here x is plus, so it will become minus. Or 2 plus, here minus 3, so it will become plus 3. You will get x is equal to 5. Okay. Now take an example. Example 13, page 26. Solve 5x plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2x minus 14. Okay. Now if we multiply this equation by 2, तो इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी? सिंपल इक्वेशन हो जाएगी. मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन बाय 2. We get 2 into 5x plus 2 into 7 upon 2 is equal to 2 into 3 upon 2x minus 2 into 14. Okay. Now 2 into 5x 10x plus here 2 cancel हो जाएंगे 7 and here 2 again कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, तो इट विल बिकम 3x एंड माइनस 28. अब हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल टेक वेरिएबल इन वन साइड एंड कांस्टेंट इन अनदर साइड. तो 10x माइनस 3x बिकॉज 3x ट्रांसपोजिंग फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, so it will become minus and here 28, 7 will be minus 7. You will get 7x is equal to minus 35. X is equal to minus 35 divided by 7 means minus 5. Clear? Now your exercise 2.3. First question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Then क्या करेंगे हम? 2x को इधर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे मीन्स 3x minus 2x is equal to 18 और x is equal to 18. Clear? Now second question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Now we will transpose variable in one side and constant in another side. So this can be written as 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. Means 2t is equal to minus 2. T is equal to minus 1. Third is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay, again we will do ट्रांसपोज. क्या करेंगे अब फिर से हम वेरिएबल को एक तरफ कर लेंगे एंड कांस्टेंट को दूसरी तरफ. 5x माइनस 3x एंड 5 माइनस 9. क्लियर. 3x यहाँ प्लस है, इधर आएगा तो माइनस, एंड प्लस 9, तो व्हेन इट विल गो राइट हैंड साइड इट विल बिकम माइनस 9. 2x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 and x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2 means minus 2. Clear? Now we will do question number 6. This is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Clear? Simplify it first. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Means 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4 minus 3 plus 7 plus 4. Again variable one side and constant one side. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here 5x is equal to 0. x is equal to 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या आता है? 0. x is equal to 0. Now let us take question number 8. Eighth question. 2x plus 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. You can see here that if we multiply this equation by 15, then we get a simplified form of the equation. So write multiply given equation by 15. तो क्या होगा? 15 into 2x upon 3 plus 15 into 1 is equal to 15 into 7x upon 15 plus 15 into 3. यहाँ से कट करेंगे 5 times. It will become 5 into 2x. This will be 15. 7x plus 45. So it is 10x plus 15 is equal to 7x plus 45. और क्या हो जाएगा? 10x minus 7x. वेरिएबल को हम एक साइड लेंगे. 45 minus 15 means 30. Here 3x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 upon 3 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 will be the answer. Clear? Okay. Thank you, children.